Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be of course to access the eBay website. So on your web browser, you just go to ebay.com and from here you'll find this page. Of course you will need just to log in into your account. So just create an account and then follow these steps. Now, to use an eBay for buying is simple. You will need just to search for a product to buy. For example, you can go for the phone case or you can do whatever. And from here, you will see all the listings. You will be able to contact seller from here. And you can simply just go to buy it now after choosing, for example, a variation. You click on buy it now and you choose a payments method and then you confirm to pay. For using eBay for selling, you will be needing to just list your items. So here you can go to my eBay, just hover on it, no need to click. And even if you click, you will be able to find everything. So here you would find like the seller hub, or you can basically go to selling. And from here, you would need just to create a listing. So you can list your item into eBay shop. So you will create a listing, and basically we need just to uh, click on a photo upload, or you can file upload the CSV that has like the information such as title, description, and etc. And after that, you will be needing just to simply continue in. Let's just go, for example, for this one, and basically we need just to add the title, add pictures. You will need just to give it a category, and if you have some variation, you can add them, if etc. Then you will need just to list it. So I'm just going to click on list it, and now we have successfully created the listing. So now all you will be needing to do is to simply market it into your eBay. So basically you can either add using some campaign or whatever, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.